The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 has warned of a possible second wave of the pandemic, advising Nigerians to suspend the Christmas travels due to the risk of contracting the coronavirus. Secretary to the Government of the Federation and Chairman of the PTF, Mr. Boss Mustafa, gave the warning at the national briefing on COVID-19 in Abuja. He also spoke on the compliance level of Nigerians with the protocols for testing inbound and outbound travelers.
Ahead of the upsurge in travels for Christmas and the New Year festivities, we urge strongly that for this year, such trips should be suspended or cautiously undertaken when and if necessary, or we should put them on hold, family because of the risk involved. The transmission rate has simply become astronomical. New cluster of cases can emerge in places that have so far been unaffected as people travel and gather for festivities. But we can lower the risk by adhering to the non-pharmaceutical interventions and in limited numbers celebrate safely. There will always be more festive seasons to celebrate. Some that have paid for post-arrival testing have failed to show up for the test. Statistics show the following as at 9th November 2020. Total number of bookings, 91,522. Total number of passengers exempted, diplomats and the rest of it, 5,470, representing 6%. Children, 1,241 in terms of percentages, 1.36%. Well, the diplomats, 3,392, representing 3.7%. Evacuees, 830, representing 0.9%. Total passengers expected to pay. The other one that I mentioned, total number of passengers exempted from payment, 6%. Total number of passengers expected to pay are 86,054 and 52, representing 94%. These are the statistics of those that have paid. 46,982 in terms of percentages, 54.6%. Those that have not paid, 39,070, representing 45.45%. Travelers that have arrived in country but have not paid are approximately 39,000. Amount paid to private labs by passengers, they have paid all, who have refused to take the post-arrival 7-day test. The figure of the amount is between 220 to 270 million naira. They have paid, but after 7 days, they have not turned up for the test. The PTF is concluding steps to work with relevant institutions and legal authorities to impose the appropriate sanctions on those that default on the protocols. Because you can't return into the country and continue to endanger your loved ones, members of your community, by not subjecting yourself to the appropriate testing protocols that have been put in place. The Port Health Services will continue to monitor these activities and will give further elaboration on this.